Hello children, welcome to the classes of grammar. Today's topic is prepositions. Today we are going to learn what is a preposition, kinds of preposition and how to use this preposition. Fine. Where to use, when to use, which is the correct preposition to use. Fine. So what is a preposition? That is the important point you have to learn in the beginning. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to denote its relation to something else. To something else means to the rest of the sentence. That is preposition. Preposition. Fine. We are placing this preposition to show the position with the subject, that is noun or pronoun. So, to locate, to place the rest of the sentence in position, we use prepositions. Kinds of prepositions. There are three types of prepositions: place of prepositions, time of prepositions, direction of prepositions. Discussed in the slideshow, like we have some examples here: under, below, above, over, time. These are like place prepositions. Now, prep time it is given, that is preposition time. Preposition place: of, to, on, in, at, with, except, instead of, like, as, than. Now again, verb prepositions, noun prepositions, adjective prepositions. One by one we will be learning this now. Here you can see with the demonstration: on, above, over, in front of, beside, below, under, behind, between, in, inside, into, through. Please concentrate on the pictures. On is touching the surface, above is not touching the surface, over it is on the surface. Fine. Over means it will be above the surface but near to the surface. Gap will be less. In front of, you know this. Beside and also behind, you know this. It is mentioned here. Below is again distance, you can see. Under, it is touching the surface. Under, underneath, beneath. These three will come with some reason which I will be explaining in further slides. Between, see, it is not touching the surface but it is between two objects. In or inside. See, here the thing is in or inside. It depends on the sentence. Into, it is inside the closed surface where we speak about the movement. Okay, that also will be explained. Now, through. See, the arrow mark is passing through the object. The situation where you pass through. Let me explain. Prepositions. Definition. Preposition is a word which is used before a noun phrase or a pronoun, connecting it to another word. Okay. The prophet walked to the temple. Fine, children. The prophet, okay, walked. Where did he walk? To the temple. See, it is showing the direction. So, to is the preposition. Now, what are prepositions? Here one example is given with this mouse. Anywhere a mouse could go. On, near, behind, under, inside. Depends on the sentence or the situation given. Now, kinds of preposition. There are two kinds: simple preposition and compound preposition. Simple means single word. Compound means where we see two words or phrase. See, on, in, at, with, for, against, beyond, beneath. These all are simple. Compound prepositions which consist two or more words. Run into, in the middle of, by the side of, etc. Now, some prepositions. See, not all, some. Let me read out the list for you. In, on, at, since, for, ago, before, past, to, till, until, by, next to, beside, under, below, over, above, across, through, into, towards, on to, from, of, out, of, about.